Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. I also have a special reading for your career situation in the pick a card love reading, guys. So if you are interested, you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have lilies, ring, choices, lady and whips. So with these cards in your situation, Libras, today you have a lot of opportunities or offers reaching you in your work situation. You have great path openings right in front of you, and you are quite confused. You don't know what is the right thing or which choice is good. And maybe today there is no good or bad choice. It is just what you feel like doing, what you are intuitively guided to. So we are all interested in certain things, but we try to avoid certain things. So it just means that you must decide based on the honest intentions of your heart. So whatever you truly feel right is going to work out well for you. So in your career situation, maybe these opportunities, among these opportunities, you need to choose what you feel is the right thing for you, guys, and you should not choose for others. So you should not think what this person will think or what your friend will feel about you making this choice. It should be something which you love to do, and that should be your choice if you want to succeed in that, guys, Libras. And also in your situation, guys, maybe you have some habits or you are doing something repetitively, so that is stressing you a lot. Maybe you're following some diet or some kind of a habit. If it is something health oriented, you can do it, you can go for it, practice it regularly. But if it is something bad, something like addictions, drinking or smoking, something spoiling your health, you need to take care of yourself, try to avoid, go for moderation, guys. And maybe for some of you there are some troubles because of these habits. So you may be involved in some arguments or fights with the people really close to you. But I also see that this person you love, they are coming out of the way to help you, guys. So they truly love you, they want to be with you, and they are here to be in this connection with you. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards marriage or a deep commitment with this person. So they are dedicated and loyal, and they want marriage with you, guys, and you are moving towards marriage or a firm commitment like engagement. So something positive coming out of the way. And in this relationship, you both share a lot of understanding. You feel really harmonious to be with this person, and you both share a great respect, love and caring for each other. So that is the reason this relationship is going to work, and your reputation is growing among friends and family. Maybe for some of you, people would have lost their trust on you, but today your reputation is growing, guys. and you are feeling really confident again, Libras. So that is the reading with these cards, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your career situation or in your relationship, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your pick a card love reading, guys, today we have two cards each. So this is your pile 1 and this is your pile 2. So I have two cards, one card relating to your relationship and the second card for your career situation, guys. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then choose the pile that comes to you first, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first pile after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first pile. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose these two cards, the first card is for your relationship and the second card, this is for your career situation, guys. So let's see what is the first card for your relationship. It is deep knowing. So with this card, it just means that in our relationship, maybe sometimes when we meet someone, even at the first time, we will know that we will feel a deep connection with that person, and we will feel in our heart of hearts that this person is going to be a part of our life and they are going to play a meaningful role in our life. So sometimes when we cross paths with someone in our life, guys, maybe that person may be a stranger, but still we will feel a great familiarity and we will feel a connection at an impossible level, and that person leaves a mark in our life and we will feel a calling to that person, something pushing us towards them. So you need to understand that your intuition is guiding you today, and also the appearance of this card just means that whatever you intuitively feel about this person you are in connection with is the right thing, guys, and you need to trust your heart and you can go according to your intuition, and it is only going to take you towards the right path today, guys. So for those who chose this pile, this is the guidance for your relationship. So for your career situation, guys, we have this card, building blocks. So with this card, it just means that we have everything that we need to make iron into gold, everything into success. So it is time to build a strong foundation with a greater prosperity. So all you need to do is that build the strong foundation with the building blocks of our positive intentions, our dreams and goals, whatever we have. So when we build our career based on these positive intentions, we are going to reach abundance very soon, and our creativity is divinely inspired and it is going to take shape for the best for us, and we are always meant for success. When you have this positive intention towards your career situation, you are simply going to succeed, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. For those who chose this card, the first two cards, that is the reading. So for those who chose the second set of cards, the first card is for your relationship, guys, turquoise, and this is for your career situation. So with this card, it just means that in your relationship today, you need to understand that you would have you have a story of your relationship, and that story would have changed over time. You have grown so much, and you have accepted your role, and you are being really brave, courageous. You have acknowledged the mistakes that you did, and also the remarkable work that you have done in this relationship. And you have healed from the past, learned so much in this relationship. So, reframing what has happened is taking you towards a greater wisdom and strength. And if you are looking for a good relationship, you need to rewrite the story. If you want a partnership that you simply dream of, you must not only focus on the shortcomings or challenges, but also you should never forget your strength and whatever you have given for this connection, for this love, or for any relationship for that matter. So you need to reconsider your story so that you can rewrite the best one for you. So it just means that you have to remember all the positive things you have done in any relationship instead of brooding over the past and worrying about all the mistakes or negative things that has happened, guys. So that is the energy with this card for your relationship. So let's see what is the energy with this card for your career situation, guys, for those who chose this card. It just means that you are the person who will draw your own picture in your life. So whatever you need to do, it is right in front of you, guys, and you have the power to make everything work for you, magnify your abilities, and create a positive situation for you. And you are going to handle your situation in a much better way today. And maybe it is time you do everything by yourself if you want success for yourself, guys. So you have to use your creative talents to give your life a meaning and purpose, and that way you will be able to develop prosperity, and that is going to help you a lot today, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy here. So if you want success just like the way you dreamt, you should be the one who draws that picture. So it is in your hands, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for your relationship and career situation. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.